We're up and about early. And we're taking Heather to school.
Hey. Oh.
Idiot. Putting the hay out. I'm getting mugged for it. Look at them. Two of them now. I've just dropped Lynn off, got all the fields sorted out and the stable all mucked out. I've come for a walk down in New Brighton and a storm's just rolled in. It's horrible. It's blowing a gale, pouring down with rain. Marvellous. Well, I've spent an hour or so tinkering with Lynn's mum's camera. Been dropped and all the lens was pushed in. I've sort of got it doing something. But it keeps coming up with a lens error. I think it's buggered. It's a shame. I'll do a bit more research. I might find the answer. Oh, I might be getting somewhere. Still doesn't close properly. I'm back down at the stables.
With Heather.
With Heather. A very soggy looking Heather, actually.
Yeah, I'm drenched.
It rained.
Yes.
I did offer to pick her up from school. She said no. Foolish.
You know it's gonna rain.
Oh, dinner time, Sky. Hey. They're nice. And the treat ball. Well, it's not been a very productive day today. apart from sorting the field out this morning, my walk was sort of aborted by bad weather and a storm, and I didn't fix the camera. It's had too much of a knock, and the lens won't come in and out properly. Shame really. Thought I fixed it. Really, really close. But never mind. My turn to cook tonight. We're going to have mince and chips. I'm going to say thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you all very soon.